Hi guys, this Saturday I'm in Nagpur, this Sunday in Pune, next 24th January Sunday in Bangalore, and next Sunday in Delhi. So in case you want to attend the workshop, please call us on any of the numbers and register for the workshop, or you can directly register here on the form link as well, which is given in the description box. So I'm there to talk about your CAT studies, CET studies, CMAT, all the other exam, GDPI, anything you want to talk to me, you can just come over and we can have a good talk. Today we want to talk about IITs. So if you can go to our link cetking.com slash IIT, that's cetking.com slash IIT com slash IIT. I've given the complete details about the cutoffs, fees, average salary, everything is there, all about IITs in that link. But today's video, I want to talk about the cutoff for IIT because that's one of the major thing which is everyone is struggling with. What is the cutoff for IIT? So that's my team's uh, tentative cutoff. Yeah, we cannot give you the exact cutoff. This is a tentative cutoff for you to understand. So IIT Bombay, let's talk about this. This page is this table is must है इसका एक screenshot लेके रख लो. Everything about IITs is here. Whether they accept non-engineers, what is the ROI, what is the average salary, everything you'll find here on this link. So starting with the top college, IIT Bombay. IIT Bombay general category cutoff 98.5, OBC 94, SC 83. Now this is an estimate cutoff. So if you have to apply now for the college, 98.5. So if you're in that range, 99, 98.3 also will be thought difficult, but 98.5 plus you can easily apply for that. OBC 94, 95, SC 85, ST 75. Yeah, इसको आप round off कर सकते हो as per your requirement. See, cutoff is going to change every year. This time because number of applicants are less, the cutoff might go down also. So general category 99, OBC 95, 85, 75 would be my guesstimate number. IT Delhi 97 for general category, 93, 87, 73. And this is the average salary of the college. Yeah. IT Kharagpur 94, 90, 83, 75. IIT Madras 96, 91, 82, 74. So you might feel how can IIT Delhi cutoff is more here because number of applicants might be. See, cutoff is decided by the number of people showing interest. Is demand supply karo? If the demand is more, supply become less. The cutoff will go high. If the demand is less, cutoff will go down. Okay, IIT Kanpur 73, IIT Roorkee 74 for the category. Open wise, this is the cutoff here. You can see the cutoff here. So anybody above 95 have a very good chance to get call from almost all of them. And 95 percentile pay, you are also getting the new IIMs ka call. And that's where the question comes, how good are the new IIMs as compared to this, which I'm covering up now in this thing. So this video is mainly talking about the cutoff for each of the IITs to make you understand. So we can compare here IITs, their fees, ROI, everything in the list here. So this is the table which I made, one table which cover up everything, who is eligible, this and that. So today's main focus is going to be the average salary. Now IIM ABC average salary is touching 25 lakh plus. Yeah, but if I look at the IIT Bombay, average is 20.8, but fees is only 8.8. Now, if you want me to compare, I can easily compare IIT Bombay with IIM Lucknow. So I'm just comparing with which I'm going to compare. IIM Lucknow, IIM Indore, IIM Kozhikode. So easily we can compare IIT Bombay and IIT Delhi. Average salary is 18.5 for IIT Delhi, but fees is 9.6. So ROI point of view, they are much better than IITs. But of course, we have to look at the brand name also. So if I compare the brand name, so they are at par. So I will count them at par with IIMs Lucknow, Indore, Kozhikode. If I go down the value chain, we have IIT Kharagpur with average salary 17, IIT Madras with average salary 12. Yeah, IIT Madras will look at afterwards. So if I look at 17.4 lakh a package here, now this IIT Kharagpur, I can easily compare with IIM Shillong and IIM Trichy because their average is also touching around 18, 17, 16 के आजू बाजू है. Yeah. If I also compare with the non-IITs, non-IIT IIMs, IIT Bombay is ranked anywhere as close to IFT, XLRI, SPGen, all these colleges. Of course, fees average is less than them, but because of the ROE factor, This can rub shoulder with any of them any day. JBIMS. Alright. Now if I further go down the chain, IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, IIT Roorkee, Dhanbad. Now, if I leave Dhanbad outside, IIT Madras, Kanpur, and Roorkee, all of them are at par with any of the new IIMs or baby IIMs. Okay. Now, this is what I want from you: is IIT good or IIM good? This you have to tell me. Of course, please don't compare any college with ABC. ABC आप compare करके फायदा ही नहीं. But I want that answer from you. IIM लखनऊ, कोईकोड, इंदौर vis-a-vis IIT Delhi and IIT Bombay, and new IIMs or baby IIMs versus IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, IIT Roorkee. Where you place them? I will bet on IIT majorly because the ROI thing. All of them have a very good ROI. But of course, if you go by the name, no one can beat IIM ka brand name. So brand name wise, of course, IIM will be there. But ROI wise, IIT Bombay is there right on the top next to them. Yeah. So if you want to say better or easy, but at least they're comparable for sure. All the best.